Polygons. So polygons are any closed figure that's got straight sides. So these are your squares, rectangles, triangles, but also your higher ones, so hexagons, nonagons, decagons, etc. If they're called regular, so a regular hexagon or a regular heptagon or whatever it is, and what that means is that all the sides are equal and all the interior angles are equal as well. So the bits that you really need to know. The angle sum of any polygon, well, what we do is we cut it up into triangles. So having a look at this one here, what I do is I pick a point and I draw in my diagonals and I get 3 triangles. Each of those triangles has an angle sum of 180. How many triangles do I get? Well, a 5-sided figure has 3 triangles. A 4-sided figure has 2 triangles. What we come up with is n minus 2 for any n-sided polygon. And if we have n minus 2 triangles, then the angle sum is n minus 2 times 180. So this is important because occasionally they'll throw in a question like this: find the interior angle sum of a 17-sided polygon. So you need to start with the fact that we know that the sum is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So then you substitute in, we know that n in this case is equal to 17, so 17 minus 2 times 180, and then it's just a straight calculator. We get 2,700 degrees. So if you had to add all the little angles up, they're going to equal to 2,700. So look at the next part. Well, if this polygon is a regular polygon, how big are each of those angles? So think about it. 17 sides means 17 angles. So each angle is going to be equal to that 2,700 that you just worked out, divided by the 17 angles. So for this one, we get 158.8 repeater degrees. The other thing you can consider is the exterior angle. So the exterior angle of any polygon. So what we do is we take the polygon and we extend the sides out till they create 180 degrees. And the exterior angle of these parts on the outside that you can see here in red. And if you add them all up, they all add up to 360. Now that makes sense. Have a look, pick one of the angles, any one, work your way around the outside. Adds up to 360. The question is why? Well, we know if we add up the interior and the exterior angles, well, we've extended those lines, they're all 180. So we get n lots of 180. And we just proved that the interior angle sum is n minus 2 times 180. So the exterior angle has to be interior plus exterior minus the interior. So if you do n times 180 minus the n minus 2 times 180 and you expand it all out, it all cancels down and leaves you with 360. So this is the sorts of questions that they're going to use it for. So how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its exterior angles is equal to 12 degrees? Well, each angle is equal to 12, and we know that if we add them all up, it's going to equal to 360. So what that tells us is that 12 degrees times the number of sides is equal to 360 degrees. So how many sides is that going to be? Well, divide through by 12. The number of sides must be equal to 30. Okay, so that's what you need to do exercise 4.8. Good luck, and I'll see you in class.